Hi, Manon. I just figured I would make you a little video because this is pretty difficult to describe. So first thing I'd like you to do is try this. You should see this version history button, and maybe whatever you've done, it's too hard to figure out what is wrong. So if you click on version history and you just go back to the initial version, start over for this phase, then you can wipe out any thing that you may have done wrong. If you're nervous about that because you did work and you don't want to kind of eliminate it, you could just try to watch what I'm about to do, okay? This lesson says add code so the dog button makes a sound too. Now, you don't need to change anything except see how the cat button, when it's clicked, one of the instructions is that it will play a sound right here. So basically, you want to emulate the same thing for the dog. You want to put a play sound instruction inside the event handler for the dog button click. So here's the tool box. Play sound is a command that we can drag from here. Just click on it, drag it in, okay? And then basically all you have to do is change this from being a default sound to a sound that you choose from what they've given us. So I'm going to delete this, okay? And in fact, I'm going to delete the entire parentheses because then I'll get the little pop-up box that shows me what I'm supposed to put in that spot. I'm supposed to put the URL of a sound file, like an MP3 file that makes the sound of a dog. Now, I don't have to go provide my own. They actually have a library of sound files for us to choose from. If you are just like sitting with your cursor there and then you get this box to hover, see this little choose here on the side? Just pick that. And this is a place where they have provided a bunch of standard sounds for us to incorporate into our apps. So pick sound library and animals and then dog and choose. And that's it. Now, when you run it and you click dogs, you should hear the dog barking. Okay. It also says change the messages when each button is clicked. So let me address that with you. The place where the message goes is here. When I click reset and I hover over that green box in the middle, that bar, the name of that text label is called message label. So look in the code. This line of code changes the message label. If a person clicks on the cat button, the message label is going to be changed to say cat's rule. They're telling us to modify this so that the message is different. Okay, maybe we want to say something like cats are awesome, or I love cats, or whatever you want to say when somebody clicks on the cat button. Okay, just modify it. And also for the dog button, this set property is going to change the text of the message label when a person clicks on the dog button. And it's going to change it to say, dogs are number one. Instead, you could just say whatever you want, put it in the quotes. Dogs are man's best friend. How's that? Okay. And that's really all you have to do in this level. And notice that when I click on cats, now it says I love cats. And when I click on dogs, it says dogs are man's best friend. Since it's not fitting so great in there, I'm just going to delete the dogs are and just put man's best friend. It'll look nicer if it fits in the box. But that's it. Just know that you can drag the commands out into the text area so that you're not having to worry about so many of the details of things. And then you're just like kind of replacing parts of it with specifics. Okay, that could help you to avoid some of the, parentheses and brackets problems. Okay, I hope this helps. I gotta stop this. Okay.